Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. Today's look is a beautiful wearable rainbow look. It is bright, this is fun, this is so flirty, this is summery, this is carnival, this is just giving you it all. A full list of the products that I use is listed in the description box below. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again for all your support. Bye guys.
Hey yo, chill, it's just a draft.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Starting off with freshly washed face. As usual, my skin is already moisturized. I'm gonna go ahead and start priming my eyelids using my PLOUISE base in Rumor number 2. Since today's look is going to be extremely bright, this is why my eyeshadow primer is so light. I want to make sure that my colors will be nice and vibrant on my eyelid. I will be playing with my Violet Voss Tye Dye palette number 4 today. These colors are so gorgeous. I'm going to start off using HUDA Violet just in the crease and in the outer V of my eyelids, and I'm going to blend it all the way into my nose bridge. But I don't want it as dark in the nose bridge as it is at the outer V of my eyes. Just watch on, you'll see what I do. It's sometimes just easier to watch than to explain.
I'ma say less, let me show it. You can be my queen if it's fun with you. Maybe I'm just trying to spend time with you. Stepping out with your girlfriend.
Using pink spiral, I'm just gonna apply this next to the purple that I laid in my outer V area.
That ain't cutting no corners. So let me know what's up. Playing hard to get. Why you acting tough? Got me cracking up. Gets me every time.
Right next to that pink, I used Coral Twist. It's a matte corally orangey color. I really wanted the orange to really stand out on my upper lid, so I laid this matte color down first, and then I'll go in with the shimmery orange from the palette, called Orange something. You'll see. And I just laid that on top of the corally matte color, so it gives it this beautiful orangey shimmery look. And for the inner third of my eye, I'm using the color Bright. It's a nice lemony yellow that just brought all these colors together beautifully. Yeah, I just went back in with that beautiful purple color and just went around the edges of all those colors that I applied on my eyelids, just for everything to look blended rather than we just laid the color there. You know, you want everything to look smooth and blended. So I'm using my two favorite primers, the Huda Beauty Water Jelly and the Matte Perfection Primer, all over my skin before I go ahead with my foundation. My foundation of choice today would be the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Chai, and this gives your skin a nice skin-like finish. It's not too heavy and it's not too mattifying, it's not too dewy, it's perfect. It just really enhances the complexion of your skin.
On your left hand, you my better hand. Lost in your love and I can't get back now. Fight for your heart and I will not back down. Baby, won't you come with me? I'm just trying to chill.
I know I'm a brush person. I'm not sure what happened this day, why I pulled out my sponge, but it is giving my skin life. I love to finish my skin look when I use a sponge after I use the brush. It just took away all that excess foundation that my skin would need, and my skin felt way more airy. Here I'm going ahead with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut. As usual, I like to use this under my eyes just to conceal any darkness or any imperfections like that before I go in with a lighter concealer to brighten the center of my face, and that's all I'm doing here. Using that pointy tip of my sponge, I'm just going to further blend that concealer out just to remove any harsh lines where the foundation and the concealer meets. Today I'm using my Cabana Corn concealer in the shade SX12 under my eyes, on my forehead, basically in the center of my face to bring more light. This concealer you gotta be really careful with. A little bit goes a long way. I've had this little pot for such a long time and I am still at the top. I don't know when I'm gonna finish it, but the color is perfect for my skin when it highlights in the center of my face. I'm doing a light contour today using my Fenty Beauty matte stick in the shade Expresso just around the perimeter of my face. So now I'm looking at the playback of this video and I realize how textured my skin is looking. Yeah, it's going through some changes that it doesn't like. I'm trying to get it under control, but as a makeup junkie, you have certain looks that you create in your head. You just want to execute it. So I knew I was going to take it right off after, so I was really strong about getting this look out this weekend. So yeah, that's why my skin is looking kind of textured. She's going through some changes, but hopefully I'll be back on track in no time. Using my sponge again, I'm going to blend out any harsh lines and where all those concealers meet. Going to make everything look blended all as one. And to blur under my eyes and the center of my face, I'm going to use my good old Charlotte Tilbury medium number 2 in this airbrush finish powder. I always like going in with this first before setting everything in place. It really blurs the center of my face and I love this powder for that. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Now to set the center of my face, I'm using my MERCIER translucent powder in the shade Honey, and I'm going to apply this with my sponge. I'm just going to keep pressing the powder into my skin. I'm not baking with it, I'm just pressing it till it disappears, and it's going to set everything in place. Tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. For my all over finishing powder, I'm using my MAC mineralized skin finish in the shade Dark Deep all over. This has a very skin-like finish. It has a natural sheen to it, so it doesn't look mattified. It don't make your skin look flat. Next, for contouring or bronzing my skin, I will be using my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. You get off a 6, you should come vibe. Play your favorite song, singing all of me. I'm just trying to build forever. Ain't no storm we can't weather. When the sun goes down, I'm gonna set my entire face using my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is just the original. And next for blush, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place blush in the shade Bella. Now for the under eye, well, the lower lash line, I'm going to use 2 eyeliners in a green and a blue by NYX Slide On Pencil. The green is in the shade Esmeralda and the blue is in the shade Sunrise Blue. I'm going to apply these first and then I will set these colors using the blue and the green from the Violet Voss palette, just to set these colors in place and to intensify the colors, make them look more vibrant. And on the lower waterline, I went in with my Lancome blue eyeliner in the shade, I think it's Sapphire. If not, I'll put the correct shade in the description box below. The color just brought this entire look together. Off camera, I went ahead and applied my lashes and my mascara, and here I am applying my highlight to the high points of my cheekbones. You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. For lips today, I'm using my Colourpop Cosmetics lip liner in the shade TH. I'm gonna line my lips as well as stain my entire lip with this color. I'm trying to show you off. I'm trying to flaunt you. I
I'm obsessed with you, baby, I want you.
And for the lip color, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Popsicle lipstick. I forgot the name of the shade. I'll put it in the description box below. And this completes the look. My fur baby just had to pop in just to say hi. Anywho, this completes the look. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really had fun creating this look. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for all the support. Love you guys. Bye guys.
On my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed.